Y'all seen my dogs? Time for my cat. Where is she? Mog? Mog? I've already fished it with it. I don't want to go back to do this. Where's Mog? Where's Mog gone?
She went outside.
Okay, I'm gonna have to get my shoes. Yeah, you sure she didn't run away?
Look at this, Ellie.
Yeah, what is it?
Wait, you missed it.
What was it about?
It's about guide dogs being trained and they're using a rabbit robot.
Well, that sounds cool. That's why we're up to stealing our jobs. Yeah, I'm something like that 50-year-old woman on the Facebook always going, robots are stealing our jobs. Pretzels are evil. Wait a minute, my grandparents don't care. I could have just walked out with my socks on. Mog. Bird? Mog. Mog, what are you doing? Mog. Mog, what are you doing? What are you fighting? What are you doing, Mog? No, you're not allowed to go out there. What are you doing? I want an interview. So what were you doing? Okay, I'm allergic to you, so this is the only bit I can pet. No hair? Okay, how old are you? Wow, that old. And yeah, you're just a little lazy cat. That always makes me sneeze whenever I sit on a couch because you leave your hair there. Okay, there you go. Hair. It's gonna be light cloudy and a gentle breeze. Mog, you've been blessed by her greatness. I think I could actually make some like YouTube videos where it's just like me on my Nintendo.
There you are. Try this on.
Thanks.
And try this on.
Oh, why do I need an apron?
Yeah. Keeps you nice and clean.
Okay, see you guys in the next one.